Hi guys, welcome back to PokeClashBros, where today we'll be opening 2 quick packs of Pokemon Champions Path. Hoping to get either the Rainbow or the Shiny Charizard still. And also another cool Charizard to get in this set is also a promo you get with the Elite Trainer box.
Starting off with Metal Energy, Great Ball, Milo, Turfield Stadium, Purloin, Kakuna, Trubbish, Hatina, Inkay, Reverse Hollow Mani,
And a Hatterene for a holographic. So there's the other cool card there for you guys. You want to sleeve that Hatterene up?
Yeah. Doing it.
So far from the back. Got a Water Energy, Pokemon Center Lady, Team Yell Grunt, Victini, Roly-Coly, Galarian Zigzagoon, Weedle, Purloin, Pokeball, Reverse Hollow Professor's Research, and a Zygarde holographic for the last card. So some nice pulls there, nothing too amazing, but 2 nice holographics here. So yeah guys, thanks guys for watching. Please make sure to check out our other videos out in the top left, top right, or more on our channel. Please hit the subscribe button down below, be great support to us. And yeah guys, thanks for watching and see you next time.